In this video, I will show you how to refresh suggested content on YouTube. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this. Of course, the first and most obvious way is to just come up and refresh YouTube once you're on youtube.com. And what that's going to do is give you a fresh new feed of suggested content. However, if you want to start from scratch and get YouTube to recommend and suggest content that is different to what's currently being suggested, then what you need to do from your YouTube home screen is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto history in the U section just down here. Then what you can do is come over to the right hand side of this and click the option to clear or watch history. On this option that comes up, just confirm by clicking the clear watch history button. And once you've done that, if we come back to our YouTube homepage and refresh the page, you're going to see it's going to look like this, and it says try searching to get started. So how YouTube actually works, how it suggests content, it's all based on what kind of content you've searched for in the past. So you will find if you've been searching for like cooking videos or animal videos, that's the kind of content that's going to be suggested. Now, to start building up a new suggested content feed, all you need to do is start searching for topics that you're interested in. So for example, if we search for cooking, and what you're going to want to do is click on any of these videos. So I'm just going to click on this one here. It's a short about cooking. Once you've done that, if you come back and click onto your YouTube homepage, you're going to see that it's going to start suggesting content based on cooking videos. And you can repeat this for all topics that you're interested in, which is of course going to suggest content based upon your search history. So that's a brief overview of how YouTube suggests content and what you can do to refresh suggested content in YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.